have you ever imagined what the world would be like in 2050? Buckle up, because we're about to blast off into a world of mind-blowing inventions and mind-bending possibilities. From robots that can fold your laundry to virtual reality vacations on Mars, the future is looking brighter than ever. So sit back, relax, and let's take a glimpse into what the world of tomorrow has in store for us. The year 2050 is often used as a benchmark for predicting the future, and it's easy to see why. By then, we've all had over 3 decades of technological advancements, societal changes, and environmental pressures to shape our world. So what will the world look like in 2050? Let's take a look. First off, the world is going to be a very different place. Climate change will have forced us to make some serious changes to the way we live, work, and consume. Renewable energy will be the norm, and we'll have found ways to reduce waste and pollution to almost zero. We'll have a better understanding of our impact on the planet, and we'll be taking steps to preserve it for future generations. Technology is going to be more advanced than ever. Artificial intelligence will be integrated into almost everything we do, from the way we communicate to the way we work to the way we travel. We'll have self-driving cars, smart homes, and wearable tech that can monitor our health and wellness. Virtual and augmented reality will be fully immersive, allowing us to experience digital environments in a way that feels almost real. But it's not just technology that will be different. Our society and culture will have evolved as well. We'll be more inclusive and diverse, with a greater understanding and appreciation of different cultures and backgrounds. Education will be more accessible and personalized, with students learning at their own pace and in their own way. And we'll have a better understanding of mental health, with resources and support available to anyone who needs it. Let's dive deeper and see what the future is really like. Artificial intelligence. First off, AI will be everywhere, and we mean everywhere. From our phones to our workplaces to our cars, AI will be there to assist us in all aspects of our lives. Want to know the weather? Ask AI. Want to order pizza? Ask AI. Want to know the meaning of life? Ask AI. But AI won't just be there to answer our every whim. It will also be incredibly advanced, able to learn and adapt on its own. It'll be able to understand our emotions, read our minds, and anticipate our needs before we even know we have them. Think of it like having a really intuitive butler who never sleeps. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more advanced, there will be concerns about its impact on our jobs, privacy, and even our humanity. Some people might even start to view AI as a threat to our way of life. But let's not worry about that right now. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Augmented and virtual reality. In 2050, virtual and augmented reality will have progressed to the point where you won't be able to tell what's real and what's not. Imagine being able to transport yourself to a digital world where anything is possible. Want to swim with sharks? Done. Want to climb Mount Everest? No problem. Want to fight aliens on the surface of Mars? You got it. In the world of VR, the possibilities are endless. It's like having a TARDIS in your pocket. And don't even get us started on augmented reality. You'll be able to overlay digital information onto the real world, making everything from directions to nutrition facts appear before your very eyes. And who needs a boring old paint job on their walls when you can have a living, breathing digital mural that changes every day? You'll never have to leave your house again. But, of course, there are always downsides to new technology. We can only imagine the amount of motion sickness people will experience after spending too much time in VR. And who knows what kind of bizarre social etiquette will arise when people start wearing AR glasses everywhere they go. Will we still be able to tell when someone is looking us in the eye? Will we even need eyes anymore? Overall, virtual and augmented reality in 2050 will be like stepping into a completely new world. It's exciting, it's scary, and it's probably going to make us all a little bit dizzy. But hey, that's the price we pay for progress, right? Internet of Things. In 2050, it'll be more like the Internet of Everything. Your fridge will talk to your toaster will talk to your car, and your car will talk to your dog, maybe. But what will all the interconnectedness actually look like? First of all, forget about pressing buttons or swiping screens. In the world of 2050, everything will be voice activated. Want to turn on your TV? Just say, "TV on, please," and it will magically obey your command. Want to order a pizza? Just say, "Pizza, please," and it'll be at your doorstep in seconds. The possibilities are endless as long as you have a good Wi-Fi connection. And speaking of Wi-Fi, it'll be everywhere. Literally, there will be no escaping it. Want to go for a walk in the park? Sorry, can't do that without being bombarded by notifications and reminders from your smartwatch. Want to take a nap? Sorry, your smart mattress needs to update its firmware. Want to take a shower? Sorry, your smart water heater needs to sync up with your smart thermostat to make sure the temperature is just right. You get the idea. But hey, it's not all bad. With Internet of Things 2050, everything will be incredibly efficient. Your car will drive itself, your home will adjust its lighting and temperature based on your preferences, and your robot butler will clean up after you. It'll be like living in a utopia, except with more wires and less privacy. Renewable energy. First off, let's talk about solar power. By 2050, we'll have so many solar panels that the sun will start to feel like a celebrity, constantly being chased by paparazzi. Seriously, there will be solar panels on everything. Your roof, your car, your phone, your pets. Okay, maybe not your pets, but you get the idea. But let's not forget about wind power. By 2050, wind turbines will be so advanced and efficient that they'll be able to generate energy even when there's barely a breeze. Plus, they'll be so quiet that you'll barely even notice them. You'll be able to have a peaceful picnic right next to a wind farm and not even have to raise your voice. And what about hydroelectric power? By 2050, we probably would have harnessed the power of every river, stream, and puddle in the world. Okay, maybe not every puddle, but we'll be damn close. Now, we know what you're thinking. What about geothermal power? Well, let's just say that by 2050, we'll be digging so deep into the earth that we'll be on a first-name basis with the core. We'll be using geothermal power to heat our homes, power our vehicles, and maybe even cook our meals. Of course, life in 2050 won't be without its challenges. We'll still have to navigate issues like inequality, political instability, and the ethical implications of new technologies. But overall, the future is looking bright. We'll have a world that's more connected, more sustainable, and more innovative than ever before. And who knows, maybe we'll even have those jetpacks after all. What do you think would have happened in 2050? Let us know about your thoughts in the comments section below, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.